Hi, it's Tommy again from the book of Explorational Journeys Self-Help Guide, and we're at chapter 2 still. We're going to I Realize I Was Enough themed activities. So we're on to the next area now, which is breaking free of comparison. So activity 5 is gratitude for your journey. So goal is focus on your unique path instead of comparing yourself to others. Steps. Write down 3 achievements or milestones you are proud of, no matter how small they may be. Step 2. Reflect on the efforts and growth that's led to them being achieved and your achievements. Step 3. Write a gratitude note to yourself for persevering through challenges. Reflection. How does focusing on your journey shift your mindset from comparing to self-acceptance? Don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.